I just did a 30-minute workout. It was so hard. It was intermediate. So yeah, I'm like on the ground. There's Ziggy, just chilling. I pushed so hard, but I gotta push harder now because it's already been 3-4 weeks. So I gotta up my intensity and push harder. So yeah, I did it. Yay!
Hey, it's Sheena. Welcome back to my channel, and today I will be talking about my week 3 results. So if you want to know what happened this last week, stick around.
I did pure cardio. I about died. Now it's Maya's turn. Check her out. So hard. I need that cardio though. Gotta work out that heart.
Alright, so here are my 3-week results. They're in. Yay! Okay, so week 3 is over, and it was a good week. And so I dropped 1.6 pounds, so pretty much a pound and a half, which is good. Yay! So 1.6 pounds in 3 weeks, or in week 3 I lost 1.6 pounds. So yay! I'm happy for that. So total for the 3 weeks I've dropped 8.3 pounds. So 8.5 pounds almost in 3 weeks doing the ketogenic diet. So although it was just 1.6 this week, I think that was really good, and I'm excited about that. Technically, I did reach my goal for the month because I wanted to do 8 to 10. So I'm pretty close to that 10-pound mark. So I could probably hit that, which would be awesome. But I already hit 8 pounds, and that was my goal for the month. So yeah, 1.6 pounds in week 3, total of 8.3 pounds. So workouts, I've done the same. I did 3 workouts. I did 1 walk, and then I did 2 HIIT workouts, and just cleaning around the house is also a workout. So I consider cleaning a workout because it's not fun. So as long as I tell myself that it is a workout, it's worth it to clean, and it helps me get calories burned. So this week I didn't suffer from any headaches like I did last week, which is really weird. So I didn't have any I didn't have any headaches this week, which was good. So I'm glad that wasn't happening. Let's see, my metabolism has increased so much. I'm more hungry than ever, and it's not that I haven't kept my fat intake up. And that's what I thought. Maybe I wasn't eating enough fat or protein. That's why I was always hungry. But I just realized that my metabolism is up more, which is great. But then I'm just really hungry all the time. And so I just want to eat constantly. So I've had to deal with that this week, just being more hungry. But just making sure that I'm still sticking to the keto diet, and not eating anything outside of it. I have great energy still. I'm still waking up, wanting to wake up early, and I can last longer throughout the day. I still don't have any sugar cravings or any spikes, so that's awesome. So one negative that's happened to me this week was I was seriously craving some sweets. I wanted to eat some cake that I couldn't eat. I wanted to eat some cookies that I had to bake, and I couldn't eat them. And I just really had a sweet tooth this week. I was just craving it, 3 weeks going keto and like no sweets. But so that was really challenging this week. I really wanted to eat something sweet, and that was so hard that I couldn't. But I made it, and yeah. I've also been doing yogurt. I've been doing yoga too for some stretches. So that's yoga is awesome, so I feel more flexible. You know, I feel like my clothes are definitely getting looser. People are starting to notice, and it's only been 3 weeks. So if people are starting to notice, then there's something happening. So I think I'm definitely losing fat, and I'm definitely gaining muscles. So it's probably why I didn't lose too much this week. So I'm not too worried about the scale. I'm just noticing changes in my body, which is awesome. And so that's what I'm going for, is changes in my body. And I'm still trying to just live a healthier lifestyle. And week 3 was kind of challenging with the cravings of sweet things like cake and ice cream and all that. But I got 1 week left, and so I'm going to go all the way to 30 days and see. And then maybe after the 30 days, I will have 1 cheat day and possibly just continue this journey, because I do want to keep losing weight. So, but I think 1 cheat day will be okay, right? Just 1 cheat day. I'll have some pizza, some ice cream, some burgers, some fries. Probably gain 3 pounds in that 1 day. No, I don't know. But I definitely need some cheat day, because it's been kind of difficult this week. But it's okay. I'm holding on. It's worth it. So you hold on. It's worth it. Okay? And that's it for my results. I will post some food and some pictures like I do kind of before and after, so you can see my progress. Even though I may not lost pounds this week, you can probably see it in my body that I've lost inches. Well, thanks for watching my video again this week. I hope it's inspiring you to try the ketogenic diet, because I'm loving the results and the way that I feel on this diet, and it works amazing for my body. So thanks for watching my video this week. If you like my video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment down below. Subscribe if you want to watch the rest of my journey. And for more videos like this, just comment below and let me know. Alright, well, you have a blessed, amazing, awesome day. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
Just baked a whole bunch of chocolate chip cookies for Maya to bring to school, and I can't have one of them. They didn't come out so great, they got stuck, but I'm sure they're still delicious. And I can't have one. Oh, man.